Welcome back to my channel, guys, and today we're going to be talking about my Trading 212 portfolio. So before we do get into this video, if you are new here, please hit that subscribe button. I update you guys on my portfolios and I also show you some good hot stocks that have good growth potential. So if you are interested in any of that, hit that subscribe button and also give it a like. And yeah, let's get into it. Recently I have been doing these portfolio updates every Sunday and I'm not sure if I should keep doing them every Sunday or stop them or just do them more often when things change, even though there has been a massive change in this portfolio update today. So yeah, you're going to want to stick around with this one, but let me know in the comments if you want me to do these weekly or just stop them weekly and do them once every month or so. Let me know in the comments because I'm not too sure. Anyway, this is my ISA account, my long-term proper holdings portfolio, and as well as that, my invest account has got some long-term plays that you can't get in the ISA, and also I just have left in. It's quite confusing, I guess, but yeah, that's it. So in total, we are up £752 with a 13% return rate, which isn't bad. That's really good. And the crazy part is that kind of all happened in a day, mainly because a lot of my stocks just performed really well. I'm going to go through these very quickly. If you want a more in-depth one, go on to my other portfolio updates. They're a bit more in-depth. This one is just to get to the good bits. So got Alibaba, 2 shares of Alibaba, got 7 shares of Apple, doing very well, £52 I'm up. Aston Martin, 2.63 shares, £22 nearly, not too bad. AT&T, 40 odd shares, that's my dividend stock, although it's just not doing too well on the growth side. The FX impact hit me bad. Barrett Development, 9 shares of that, not too bad, not doing too bad, 24% nearly up. If you want me to go more in depth with my stocks, let me know for next video, or if you want me to quick fire kind of them and then go into the main kind of ones and talk about them a bit more, let me know. Got 1 share of Beyond Meat. I do want to get into Tattooed Chef, by the way, guys. Yeah, I need to just spend some time actually looking into that stock a bit more. Bionano, brilliant this. I've actually got some information. I don't know whether to do a video on it, but briefly, pretty much. I've got 46.6 shares and I keep buying into them when they're doing share offerings, so when they drop down massively. They've had a price upgrade of $14, I believe, which is insane considering I got in at $5.37. Not bad if it's a $14 price upgrade. I think we're going to see more growth this week with it. Already up 81% with it. Churchill Capital, this is a very interesting one, probably a bit controversial because I'm actually gambling kind of with this, because Churchill Capital could be merging with Lucid Motors and Lucid Motors are meant to be the next Tesla. I'm kind of joking there, just people keep going on about how they're going to be the next Tesla. Lucid Motors, it looks very premium and I think that's the route they want to go down, and luxury, and the CEO used to helped make the Model S, I think it was. Can't remember off the top of my head properly, but yeah, got 18 shares of that and I'm up 23% on that, £55. Yeah, this stock could explode once it does actually hit the merger with Lucid Motors. There are massive rumours that this is actually going to happen as well. And also I bought in at $17.82, so if it didn't happen, it'll just drop back to around $10 a share. So I'll be losing $7 a share. Palantir's my next one. It's now gone up to $32.57. I've got 119 shares of this and I'm up £548. I would have been up £612, but the FX impact has hit me with £64, which sucks. But yeah, went up 25% in one day, hence why my portfolio really did shoot up. And yeah, this is going to be an interesting week for Palantir because we've got demo day and we've got the lockup period in February and earnings in February, so it's going to be a very interesting few weeks with Palantir. So if you want to stay tuned with that, subscribe to my channel and keep up to date with how it's all going, because I let people know about what's going on with Palantir in the news and how my portfolio is doing throughout the week. So yeah, Realty Income, I don't think I bought these in the last episode, you could call it, but I'm not too sure actually. I might have done. And I've got 10 shares of this. This is another dividend stock for me. I bought at $57. I think I bought it, yeah, $57 I bought in. I was thinking, you know what, this is a good little deal, this. So I bought 10 shares of Realty Income for $57 and I'm up £15.58 on that and get some nice monthly dividends. S&P 500, Wirecard, we just don't talk about that. So yeah, overall with that portfolio, we're at £6,509. Let's get into the invest. So on this invest account, we are returning £592. I'm up 3,528, which isn't too bad. So yeah, the first one is Apple, and you're thinking, blimey, why have you got Apple in this one and not your ISA? You might as well just put it all in your ISA, which, yeah, it's just, I like to separate them when they're trades and when they're long-term holds. The one in my ISA are long-term, that's a long-term hold, just don't even touch it, don't even think about it almost. This one in my invest account is a swing trade, like I bought in at $128 a share, and I just believed it was just going to keep going up because the fundamentals of their earnings, like they could be reaching 100 billion in their first quarter. That would be like a record-breaking earnings report for Apple. I was just thinking, you know what, I'm going to buy into this because I think it's going to have a massive run up, and so far I'm up £38, so it's not doing too bad, and I'll sell it around earnings, if not after earnings. So yeah, that's just a little trade I'm doing on the side. Boeing, this is actually a long-term hold, and I don't know what to do. I don't know whether to sell because it's in my invest account and buy into the ISA, but I'm up 26% and I kind of like seeing that green. So I've kept it in my invest account, but yeah, that's a long-term hold. Same with BP, I'm just holding this until it gets into profit really. And some of these I bought when I first got into investing, so I didn't know about the ISA, and that is why some of these are in the invest account, if that even makes sense. Delta is another one as well. I bought when I first got into investing, and I'm up 55%, 6 shares, and it's not doing too bad. NEO, I would get in the ISA, I mean, but you can't, you have to get it in the invest. So yeah, it's doing really well, up 34%, £407. I'm just holding this long term massively. They got a price upgrade of $80 a share as well, so this is looking good too. I think my average position is $45, so it's not too bad. And I also do videos on this weekly, so if you want to keep up to date, subscribe. All right, Snowflake. This is another trade. I actually looked into this a bit and thought it was a good price point to buy into. I bought 2.3 shares. I used TradingView to do some analysis. So I did some analysis, and am I even saying that word right? It sounds different. Anyway, I thought $285 a share is pretty good, and yeah, the highs of 388. But also when I was looking into this, it's very close to crossing the MACD on the daily chart. So we could see a bit of a run up here with Snowflake, and I also did some other little bits looking into it. So yeah, we're gonna see how it goes. I've got my stop losses for this. Well, I haven't got them set up, but I've got alerts to let me know about where the price is and stuff. And yeah, so I've got my risk management sorted with this one. But yeah, I'll keep you guys up to date with this. I might be holding this for a few weeks. I might be holding this for a few days. We don't know for sure just yet with this one. But yeah, that's just another little trade that I'm just trying to get better at and just seeing how it goes really. Sorry, my camera cut off. Thankfully, I actually checked. The last one is Virgin Galactic. 6 shares on this, 48%, not too bad. The reason why it's had massive growth as well is ARK Invest, Cathie Wood, doing a space ETF, I believe, and I think Virgin Galactic is going to be in it. So I think that's one of the reasons why it's gone up quite a lot. So yeah, with this one, I've had £3,528 in this portfolio, and let's just add them all up very quick. So in total, it is around £10,037, which is really cool, really nice to hear. And actually, you've got to remember as well that the Apple trade and the Snowflake trade, they are going to be trades. So you can count them if you want, or you don't have to count them. But that's with them in. Without that, it'll be £9,037, I believe. Looking very good with this portfolio so far. If you did enjoy this video, give it a like, and also if you're new here, please subscribe. And comment below if you want me to do show videos of me updating you with these Apple and Snowflake trades, and also if you want to see more videos of these portfolio updates, or just do them once a month or something. So let me know in the comments below, and I'll see you guys in my next video.